Nasi Sigaxa Sendaba. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So ugogo Skhotheni just got lobolad, but guess what? Not by her baby daddy Umonde, by a different man. Rumor has it it's a man that's in the music industry. I wonder who's that interesting. Kodwa sikho lapho. Moving on to our next story. So today sikhuluma ngabo gogo upon gogo. So Gogo Maweni is actually pregnant, guys. She took to her social media sharing that she went baby clothes shopping. She went shopping for the baby. She bought a card. She bought stuffed animals. She bought a lot of stuff for the baby. She's excited. The husband's excited. We are also excited. Finally bavele endabeni for something good. Boyithu ogogo siyabahalalisela, akukho esingakusho. If you really enjoy my contents, please like a comment and subscribe to my channel. Kulungile ke is a bye.